This is the final video to solve Apex Legends Intel Arc corrupted textures. After dealing with visual corruption myself and spending days testing different fixes, I eventually identified several methods that actually work, and I'll walk you through them now. The problem often stems from how your graphics card communicates with the game's visual data, leading to those annoying glitches. Method 1 tackles this by ensuring your Intel Arc drivers are up to date, which is like giving your graphics card the latest instruction manual. It also involves verifying your game files, making sure the game itself isn't missing any pieces. Method 2 focuses on system-level integrity, including checking for Windows updates and ensuring the Intel graphics control panel is optimized, as this software acts as a translator between your hardware and the game. Method 3 suggests a fresh start by reinstalling Apex Legends and performing a clean driver installation using DDU, essentially wiping away any old, corrupted data that might be causing the issue. This ensures a pristine environment for the game to run. Method 4 looks at broader system stability, like adjusting power settings and updating your motherboard BIOS, which can affect how all your hardware components, including the graphics card, perform together. These steps address potential underlying hardware or system conflicts that could manifest as corrupted textures in your game.